Hi everybody, Victor here. Welcome to another episode of Turning Point and Safety Check series. Today, we will be discussing on vertical parking inside the circuit.
Take note that the turning point in this video may be different from driving schools or private instructors. The turning point may also be not suitable for all students due to different sitting posture and height. Signal your intention to the left. Position your car near to the center white dotted line. Before reversing, check front, right, and turn your head to the left rear to check for safety. Reverse the car slowly and look at your rear left door till the triangular vertical bar touches the far end corner of the vertical lot. Stop the car or slow down and check the rear right for any traffic behind. After confirming safety, full lock the steering wheel to the left. Check on both left and right mirrors to ensure the rear tire do not hit the curbs on both sides. Continue to reverse till the car is parallel to the parking lot. You can use the front or the side mirror to judge whether car is parallel. Slow down the car, then straighten the steering wheel faster. Turn your head behind for safety, then continue reversing the car. Once done, engage gear to P for auto, and neutral for manual. Pull up the handbrake. Inform the tester and wait for instruction. Before turning left out of the lot, check the right side for traffic. Go forward till the left curb is in line with the center of the front left passenger door, and full lock steering wheel to the left. For more details on vertical parking, check on the link below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the next episode.